Cutler is talking to you.
I'm through talking.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're continuing with our semi-final series of matches. Remember, this is a double elimination tournament. Any competitor who loses twice out of the 8 who are on these 4 tables.
I'm going through like gas to a funnel.
Who'll be the favorite? Ray Herman, the Wild One, and Don Madison, Terry Bosco.
Right, Mr.
So what about you?
Get him off of my God! Spider, you get me out of the gun! I don't see it! Come on, God! Come on, God!
Any favorites this week? Dog Madison will be the next opponent. Harry Bosco, and Paul Hurley goes on to the finals. He's our winner. Hal Adams goes on to the finals. Ladies and gentlemen, we're ready for the last matches of the semi-final series. The winners go on to the finals. Over here we have Dog Madison. And Mike Cole. Okay. Practice out Dog Madison. And Link Hawk goes on to the finals.